10 ways your family can help protect the environment on Earth Day. Whether it's at your kid's school, a neighborhood park, along a hiking trail, or someplace else in your community, get your family involved in a community cleanup effort on Earth Day. Enlist your friends and advertise the cleanup effort locally to encourage others to join in your efforts. For kids who love to play in the dirt, gardening is a natural fit. Get your kids involved in planting shrubs, a tree, flowers, vegetables, or other plants in your yard. If you choose something like shrubs or a tree, they'll stick around year after year to remind you of your Earth Day efforts. Once you've identified where there's a need for recycling, see what your family can do to encourage more people to do it. For example, if there aren't recycling containers at your child's school, see if you can set up a recycling bin in her classroom. If you have a car, consider walking, biking, or taking public transportation where possible on Earth Day. If you must drive, take shorter or fewer trips and make sure you're taking steps such as properly inflating the tires to get the most mileage. If the weather is nice, turn off your heating or air conditioning and open up the windows. If it's too hot to open your windows, make sure to lower your blinds when the sun comes up and replace your air conditioner's filter if you haven't done so recently. Check your home for leaky faucets. If you don't already do so, encourage everyone to turn off the water while brushing their teeth and washing their faces and hands. See who can take the fastest shower and still get clean. Use a broom rather than a hose to clean your driveway or sidewalk. Recycle toys, clothes, and other household items you're no longer using by donating them. You can also collect donations or arrange a community swap event where kids bring their old toys and books to trade. Install houses for birds, bats, or other wildlife in your yard, or set up a feeder for birds. To get your kids into the act, consider having them build or decorate the birdhouse or make the feeder. Choose an eco-friendly charity your family supports and find a way to raise money for it. You can collect monetary donations directly, hold an Earth Day yard sale, or sell eco-friendly crafts made by your family. Once again, encourage your friends and neighbors to join in. Think of one simple way to reduce your family's carbon footprint and commit to doing it. If you need an incentive to get yourself started, consider rewarding your family if you successfully implement the change. Don't forget to choose an eco-friendly reward, too. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.